Hello, so I am going to talk about knowledge discovery task number 3, exploring the invoicing app. On the top portion, you can see company data, bank account, invoice layout, and create invoice. So I went ahead and created our company data. It just consists of the address, the phone number, the email, and our website, and what currency we're in, which is pretty important. So here are the list of our invoices. I am not able to set up the bank account because we do not have the accounting app installed, which can be super beneficial if we're creating this for a longer term rather than a project. But the invoice layout, this is exactly what it is. Looks great. We're all done there because it already set it up for us. And we can also go ahead and create an invoice. So just to show you, you can go ahead and see our customers here, all of the invoices, the credit notes, payments, products, and customers. As for our vendors, you can see the bills, the refunds, the payments, the products, and all the other vendors are reporting. So that includes our invoice analysis and the configuration. So invoicing, banks, and accounting, payments, and management is all under here. So for example, let's go ahead and look at this invoice. Let's see, follow up on payment. Let's see where our money is. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So here is our payments. The amount due is $22,137.50. Let's see. Okay, so let's actually go ahead and follow up on this payment. Let's send an email. Okay, let's see. So here's your invoice. This is what you owe to where you owe it. Please remit payments. And then just a nice little don't hesitate to call. So send and print. Perfect. And let's register this payment. So it's going to go to the bank. This is our account number, create payment. So now it just shows that it was paid because let's say that they did actually pay us. It's nice because it also shows the tax. So it includes the quantity, price, and the tax, which is calculated in the overall total and the total, like the subtotal of the taxes between the two products, which is super nice. So we can go ahead and save this and we can print it. We can also duplicate, delete, generate, share, and switch into refunds. So if they called us back and wanted a refund, we can easily do that here. Let's see. So here is another one of our invoices, but let's just kind of do an overview. So we followed up on that payment. We got that money. Let's see. Let's included upsell. Let's see what happened here. Okay, let's see. Register payment. So they gave us cash. We saw this person in person. We got that money. This was actually paid the 28th, but no one registered the payment. Okay, so let's go ahead and create payment. And there we go, paid. We could preview it. Let's see. So it shows our salesperson. It shows the history and all the details. And we can even add some comments for future references. And that is about, oh, that actually took us to our website and did that. So that links us to our website. Let's go back to the invoices. So that is about it for invoicing. It manages vendors' bills and makes payment to the vendors. It helps us set up the company data and invoice layout. So as for the changes after the registered payment for an invoice, it would be nice to have the accounting app all set up so it can be better linked and we can actually add a bank account. The main benefit is that the invoicing handles the process of customers, so sending customers an invoice and validating. So while using this app, the main benefit that I thought of this invoicing software is that as business owners, you can send multiple invoices simultaneously. It's very fast paced, not as many human errors, and again, we don't have to worry about like the paper trail. So thank you so much for listening, and that's it for knowledge discovery task number 3.